Here's the golf cart. I just hosed it down, so it's wet. But it's got these new seat covers on it, and they're pretty nice. They're soft. Really feels really good on them. They're easy to wash, which is really nice. The golf cart is in good running shape. All the batteries are brand new. Brand new set of Trojans I got last month. It's dripping in there a little bit. So they're, I believe they're 2022 batteries. So they have been at the store. They could be 2023. I'm not sure. But they're probably 2022 batteries. But they're right off the pallet into this golf cart last month. Here's the little. I put this back here that's for securing the batteries. I didn't even do that, but that's up to you guys. The lights are new. I didn't even take the plastic off of them yet. Seat folds down, of course, to reveal a nice pickup truck type bed where you can really store a lot of stuff on there. These cup holders installed. Cup holder armrests, very comfortable. The golf cart is lifted. I'm not sure. I think it's just like the minimum, 6-inch lift, something like that. Also, I have a set of larger wheels that comes with this. Much larger. You probably see in the pictures. And they're like off-road wheels. I put new hubs, new brake hubs on both sides back here, and new axles on both sides because it had a slight wobble at speed. So I thought the axle might be bent, but it actually turned out it wasn't the axle. Turned out that this front rim is slightly bent, but on this wheel. I mean, I even replaced the hubs here with new bearings. Oh yeah, and the new bearings in the back too with the new axles, so new bearings. So I replaced the hub, new bearings all the way around, and trying to get rid of that wobble. And it just turns out it was maybe either the tires off or the rims off on this one wheel here. It's very slight, not that noticeable. But like I said, you're getting a whole new set of, not new, but a whole another set of wheels that you can slap on here. You're gonna have to some of the rims are bad, but you're getting extra rims with it too that are in good shape. So basically, all in all, it'll be a whole nother set of 4 off-road wheels. It does have that's a voltmeter I installed because it had no battery meter, so it tells you how good your battery is. These are hazards, so it does have the whole street legal kit. So these lights they are brake lights. They have turn signals. Yeah, you can see that one. It's kind of bright out here, but that one's definitely flashing. You can definitely clearly see them during the day, especially at night even. So you got turn signals all the way around. You can see here, left, right, and horn. And then this is how you turn your headlights on and off. And so you can see that. On, off. And this is your left turn signal. And your right turn signal if I turn that. So it's the whole street legal kit. It's also got, this is just an extra little horn, or you can take it off and put it on your key. I keep hitting the horn myself. And then goodness gracious. Let me hold on 1 second. I need 2 hands to get this off. Well, where's one hand? So this you can put on your keychain. It's just a little alarm system. And you press that, it's armed. Once you hear that beep, and then if someone tries to take your golf cart, it kind of gives you a little warning, and then if they try to take it again, you got the alarm going off. And so that's a pretty nice little thing. You can keep it on your keychain, or you can keep it right here in case you're afraid you're going to lose it. Clicks right into place. This has the brake lights. They're screwed in instead of zip tied in using actual metal screws. So you might see other ones that have the street legal package, and you see them. The instructions call the zip tied in, but I screwed them in so they're better. It's not cosmetically perfect. You know, these this vinyl wrap is kind of has imperfections, like it's not perfectly done, but it looks good. It looks fine. If you're not a perfectionist, I believe you'll be happy with this. Runs pretty good. But I don't have any problems with it. I haven't charged it in a long time. But it holds a good charge because these batteries are great. I'll go for a full week. Because I guess like the range is like 30 to 35 miles. And I have no doubt that this gets that per charge. So yeah, we can do a little riding. Actually, that's a pretty steep hill up right there. Let me show you that we can even make it up that really steep little this thing here. It's like straight up into the sky. But yeah, sorry about that. This thorn got my leg. But yeah, we can make it up that. And it's pretty good off-road, especially with the little lift kit here. Let me turn. It's got a really good turning radius. I think all these Egos do as we go into the woods. Anyway, so let's go ahead and do a little street riding. It's really nice and quiet, the motor, which is nice about these electric ones. Really good for cruising around the neighborhood. So what's nice about the lift kit is you can easily go off the curb and get moving. So we'll go ahead and put some speed down. You can kind of see how it rides. You'll see it has like you probably won't even notice the wiggle, but we're going on the street here. Drives very nice. At speed, it's a little tiny bit unstable, but I don't know if it's really meant to go that fast. So we got the horn there. It's really moving pretty quick now. There we go. So good brakes too. And we'll go ahead and turn around here. So this windshield is new. Flips down, of course. And these mirrors are new. Just put those on. And it does ride really nice. See a little bit of wiggle on that wheel. Not too noticeable. I kind of notice every little thing. You can kind of hear it a little bit too. But it does get you to where you want to go. A lot of fun. So all new batteries, comes with the charger. Everything works like it should. And it's just a really nice, really comfortable little golf cart. It can easily fit the 4 people on here, and it can easily pull them 4 people. It's at about 50% charge, so as you can see here, it's about half charged. So I probably will plug it in tonight. Here's the let's see if I can see it. Well, I'll just take a picture of that. The little number on the side. So it's got a nice black roof here inside. Those lights are there, but they're not wired up. They've been disconnected since the new wiring kit has been installed. I'm going to use my turn signals here. It's at a perfect little angle. Great for the stop near the stop sign. Of course, my brake lights are working as well. And we start going up this hill here. And then I'm going to cut across over here to go off-roading. Of course, with our lifted wheels, our lifted, suspension, we can get over this curb, up this really steep embankment here. And we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of off-roading. Wow, there's a big pothole there. Yeah, do a little bit of off-roading. Of course, it's really fun to do this. This thing's a lot of fun. It really moves through the woods. Woohoo! A lot of fun. Very useful cart too. You know, if you really useful for like if you have a church or something, move people around, or even if you're a groundskeeper and you want to be just fixing up the place, especially with that. You know, you could use it as the extra bed back there, or you can extra bed for room. It'll flow down the seat, or you can carry people around. Of course, you got the street legal kit and the turn signals and the hazards and everything. So you can, and the super bright LED headlights that really bright light, lighten up the place. Here, put my parking brake on. And these headlights are so bright. You can really see where you're going at night. So yeah, really nice golf cart. Got storage under there. I do have the charger sitting under here, right there. For now, I'm gonna take it out tonight when I charge it. Pretty nice golf cart. The tires are in good shape, no dry rot on them, and really good tread. Like I said, the only issue might be that one slightly bent rim here, but you are getting a full set of other wheels, which I'll show you in a second actually. Yep, they're going to be right over here. So these are the wheels. There's 4 of them. They're significantly bigger than the ones here. When I got it, these were the ones that were on the golf cart. I took them off because I kind of wanted the street slicks, so I bought these tires. The only thing is these rims are kind of not in the best shape. Actually, they're done. The rims are not good at all. But so you're gonna get these 4, but I'll give you, these are the same size rims, and you'll get a set of those. So 4 of them, so you'll be able to make a full set. So you get these 2 here. And then one of them I already took the tire off, and here it is. And these rims are in really good shape. I just need a little bit of cleaning up, but I already took the wheel off of this one, the tire off of this one, and these are bigger rims than what's on here now. And these rims, so you'll get 4 of these rims. The other 3 are going to have those street tires on them, the larger street tires. So you're going to have to move those tires off of those rims onto this one. There might be I think 2 of them are holding air, and the other 2 are just completely shot. But anyway, so yeah, we got these nice, these are super nice cup holders. Really nice to sit on here. Really fun. And they're nice and deep. And it's actually really fun riding in the back of this thing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. It is the older style. It is a 95, so it has the big switch to go forward and reverse and neutral. But hey, it works. If it works, it works. Thanks for watching.